Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite recipes. This uses turmeric and it's called the Feel Good in Gold Smoothie. So this is something that's absolutely delicious. It's a great summertime drink, or if you live in a hot climate, you will absolutely love this. And we know the benefits of turmeric, all of which I shared in my show, the turmeric benefits and how to consume it. So make sure if you missed that show that you check it out here on YouTube, but you will love this smoothie. So let's get started. First, we're starting with 1 cup of almond milk, and I'm putting that into my blender and adding a 1/2 cup of ice. And next, a pinch of chai spice. Now you can certainly blend your own chai spices if you wish, but my little hack for this is just to buy some chai tea, open up that tea bag, and then you've got your chai spice. So I'm just gonna add a pinch. Actually, I like 2 pinches because I really like that flavoring from the chai spice. And next we have 2 capsules of the Vitatree Turmeric Curcumin vegan joint formulation. So this has the standardization of that curcumin, which is that active component of the turmeric, at a 95 percentile of the curcuminoids. So you can see the vibrancy of that powder as I put that into our shake. Absolutely delicious. And this is what's going to give it its beautiful color at the end when we have this all prepared. And next we have 1 scoop of the Vitatree Vanilla Protein Powder. So this gives it that extra bit of that protein kick. So this is 20 grams of that digestible, absorbable, functional protein, which is awesome for your digestive health as well. And now we'll blend this all up. Now pouring this into my favorite cup. And you can see how smooth and yummy this is. This is fantastic for a high protein breakfast, which is delicious first thing in the morning. And now for my favorite part, to top it off, a little bit of cinnamon on top. So just a dash of cinnamon. You could again use a little bit more, and that will give it that great flavor combination. And it's ready to enjoy. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for you to try this. So please let me know how much you love this recipe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Be sure to share this video as well with your friends because they will love this recipe and they will enjoy it. Please give me a big thumbs up as well. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe. Click that bell to turn on those notifications so you always get my newest and latest uploads. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.